Hey, good morning. Got me and the Donald out here. Do a little bridge fishing today at Rend Lake. Some people like it, some people hate it. And surprisingly, there's very light traffic out here today. So what do you got rigged up today, Donald? Brand? Any particular brand?
One's like that.
Huh?
One's like that.
The Gettin Jiggy? The Gettin Jiggy ones? Still got that orange one on from last week?
Yeah. Got his on.
We're gonna run a bunch of different baits today, but here's what I'm using. On one pole, yeah. I got a Gettin Jiggy Jigs. I got a double rig tied, and I got a gray ghost and a grenade of gold. And then my other pole today, I'm running a pink head with a pink flamingo Brushpile jigs, and then I'm going to put a Wyatt's Blue Magic on this yellowhead. All right, and away we go. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Gray ghost. He inhaled that sucker too. Gray ghost.
All right. There you go.
Hey folks, welcome to PFG Fishing. Thanks for joining. So I lied when I said my next episode would be Rend Lake fish attractors. We're going to save that for next time. Meanwhile, I found some great footage from a great day of bridge fishing we had in early December last year. Check it out.
Beep, beep.
We both decided to rig up double rigs today with various colors of jigs. Since there isn't much structure to deal with around the bridges, a double rig is a good option. I try to keep mine a couple feet apart so that in theory, I'm fishing different depths in the water column. If I'm fishing brush or stumps, something with a lot of cover, I'm usually using a single jig so I'm not getting snagged up as much. We also used drop shot rigs with minnows today, but the bite was actually better on jigs. And we caught some really nice fish today, a little better size than your typical bridge fishing day. I think it was the second Illinois firearm deer season, so that's why there wasn't a whole lot of traffic at the bridges today. We did try out a couple of other spots today without much luck, so we wandered back to the bridge after a while. The bite was hot and we threw back lots of small fish today. This is one of the better days I've had size-wise at the bridges. Next time out, I swear, we're going to do a Rend Lake fish attractor video. Thanks for watching. So that's going to do it for this episode. Make sure you check out the all-new my724outdoors.com page. Hit up the forums and post your adventures. It's great stuff. Also, check out my socials at Panfish Guy on Facebook, Daniel Palmer 5623 on Instagram, at PanfishG on Twitter, or my webpage at panfishguy.com. Log on and grab some swag for your favorite fishermen. If you like this video, please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Rub a little fish slime on that notification bell so you'll be notified when I infrequently post a video. Hey, knock it off!